Good morning, student. Today we are going to discuss chapter 8, comparing quantities. Exercise 8.2, question number 1. Question 1 है, a man got a 10% increases in his salary if his new salary is 1,54,000 rupees. Find his original salary. Okay, so here given new salary is 1,54,000 rupees and increment in his salary is 10%. So find the original salary of the man. So first we let original salary be x. Let be x. Original salary be x. So new salary is equal to original salary plus 10% of original salary. Okay. So we find here new salary. New salary is equal to original salary plus 10% of original salary. Okay, this is OS means original salary. 10% of original salary. Okay. So here given and the new salary is, so in this way we let here this is the original salary plus 10% of x. This is equal to 10% of x. This is equal to x plus 10 by 100 into x, or you can cancel it. Okay, and 10 1 ja 10, 10 plus 1 11x by 10, 11x by 10. Okay, this is the new salary according to our assumptions, because here we let original salary be x, but the increment of salary is at 10%. Then we find 10% of original salary. So 10% of original salary is equal to 10 by 100 into x. Clear? So it's become 1 by 10x. Then we plus x plus 1 by 10x. It's become 11x by 10. Clear? This is a new salary, but here given new salary is 1,54,000. But given new salary is equal to rupees 1,54,000. Okay, this is a given, but according to our assumptions, new salary is equal to 11x by 10. Clear? So according to condition, okay, this is our new salary 11 by x, 11x by 10. This is our new salary according to our assumption, but according to question, new salary is rupees 1,54,000. Okay, so you can write here x is equal to 1,54,000 into 10 by 11. Clear? If you cancel it, 11 into 11, here this 11 into 11 and 11 4 ja 44, okay, 1230, okay, and 14,000 into 10. So in this way we can find the value of x is equal to 1,40,000. Clear? This is a original salary. Hence, original salary is, you can write this is our original salary because we let original salary be x. So we find according to this condition the value of x is equal to 1,40,000. At last we can write here, hence original salary is original salary is rupees 1,40,000. Clear? So student, I hope all of you understood this question, because in this question this is given the new salary is 1,54,000 and increases 10% of his original salary, then find the original salary of the man. Okay, so first here given increment is 10%, so here we will let the original salary be x. After this we find new salary according to our assumption. New salary is equal to original salary plus 10% of original salary. Okay, and we let here original salary be x. So 10% of original salary is equal to 10 by 100 into x, and this is the original salary. This is the increment of 10%. So in this way we find the new salary according to our assumption is 11x by 10. But in question the new salary is given. What is the new salary given? 1,54,000. This is the new salary. Okay, so according to this condition 11x by 10 is also new salary, and this is given 1,54,000 is also new salary. So it means that both are equal. So we can write here 11x by 10 is equal to 1,54,000, and we calculate it, and at last we find that x is equal to 1,40,000, and here x is our original salary. So in this way you can write at last, hence the original salary is 1,40,000. Okay, now next question number 2 is that on Sunday 845 people went to the zoo. On Monday only 169 people went. What is the percentage decrease in the people visiting to the zoo on Monday? Okay, so on Sunday the number of people visit on Sunday 845, and on Monday is 169. So first we find the decreases people on Monday. So 845 minus 169. Then you find decrease people on Monday. So here we find the percentage. So how we find percentage? We find percentage is equal to decreases people by total people into 100. Okay, so let's see how to solve this question. So here given on Sunday people went to the zoo. Question number 2. Sunday people went to the zoo is equal to 845 people. Okay, on Sunday 845 people visit the zoo. On Monday, next time is on Monday. On Monday, people zoo is equal to 169. Okay, so how many people difference in on Monday? You can see only 169 people visit zoo on Monday. So number of decreases in the people is equal to, we find number of decreases people. Number of decreased people is equal to 845 minus 169 is equal to this become 676. Clear? Now you find decrease percentage. What is decrease percentage? Decrease percentage is equal to this decreased people by total people into 100%. Okay, because and in this first day, this is 845 people went to the zoo. So you find here decrease percentage. Decrease percentage is equal to this is equal to 676. This is difference between both them, and this is a 845, and this is a number of people reached to zoo on Sunday and into 100%. Clear? Solve this. If you solve this, if you cancel this by 5, so 5 1 ja 5, 5 6 ja 5 9 ja, and 5 20 ja. Okay. After this, if you cancel it, we have here 676 by 169. 169 4 ja. Okay. So we have here 4 into 20%. Okay, and this is equal to 80%. Okay, so 80% people decrease on Monday. Clear? In this question, this is given that on Monday 845 people went to the zoo, and on Monday only 169 people. On Sunday 845 people went to the zoo, and on Monday only 169 people went. What is the percentage decrease in the people visiting the zoo on Monday? Okay, so number of people reach on Sunday is 845, and on Monday 169. So decrease number of decreased people is 845 minus 169. This is equal to 676. After this, we find decreased people and decreased percentage. Okay, so 676 by 845, and after this we simplify it, and we obtain 80% people decrease on Monday. This is clear? Now, next question. Next question is given: a shopkeeper buy 80 articles for 2,400, okay, and sell them for a profit of 16%, and find the selling price of the one articles. Here given number of articles 80 articles, cost price of 80 articles is 2,400, and profit of each article is 16%. So here you find the selling price of each article. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. How can you find profit? Profit is equal to cost price into profit percentage. Okay. So here given profit percentage is equal to 16%. So profit is equal to first cost price into 16/100. First we find cost of one article, because here number of article is 80 articles, and cost of 80 articles is given 2,400. So first we find cost of one articles. If you divide 2,400 by 80, then we obtain 30. It means that cost of one article is 30 rupees. Okay. So what is the selling price of one article? So selling price of one article is equal to 30 plus 30 into 60/100. In this way, if you calculate it, you find 34.80 rupees. So let's see how to solve question number 3. Number of articles is equal to 80. Okay. So cost of 80 articles. Articles is equal to given rupees 2,400. Okay. So you find cost of one articles. Cost of one articles is equal to 2,400 by 80, and 0 cancel, 8 3 is 24. So cost of one article is equal to rupees 30. Clear? Now, what is the profit percentage? So profit percentage is given here. Profit percentage is equal to 16%. Okay. So you find profit. We find profit always. We find profit at cost price. We find profit at cost price. So profit is equal to profit of one articles. Okay. This is equal to cost of one article is equal to 30 rupees, and the profit of one article is equal to 30 into 16/100. Okay. So 1 0 cancel here, and 16 3 is 48 by 10. In this we find profit of one article is 4.80. Clear? 4.80 rupees. Now we find selling price of one article. Selling price of one article is equal to this is equal to CP plus profit. Okay, this is CP CP means cost price, P means profit. Okay, so CP is 30 rupees and profit is 4.8 rupees. Okay, so you can write here rupees 30 plus rupees 4.80. Clear? This is equal to rupees 34.80. Hence you can say the selling price of each article is 34.80 rupees. In this question, number of articles is given. This is 80 articles and cost price of 80 articles is also given 2400 rupees. So first we find cost of one article. Cost of one article is, if you divide 2400 by 80, you find 30 rupees. Cost of one article is 30 rupees. Okay, and here also given profit percentage of each article is 16%. So we find profit of one article is equal to 30 into 60, 16 by 100, and 0 cancel here. 16 3 is 48 and here 10. So 48 by 10. If you divide 48 by 10, you obtain 4.8. Okay, it means that 4.80 rupees. So what is the selling price? Selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So cost price is equal to here given 30 rupees. We find cost price of one articles, and also you find profit. Profit is 4.80 rupees. So in this way we find total selling price of one article is 34.80 rupees. Now we are going to discuss next question. Question number 4. Question 4 है, the cost of an article was 15,500 rupees. Rupees 450 were spent on its repair. If it is sold for a profit of 15%, find the selling price of the articles. So here cost of articles is given 15,500. After this he repair it. The cost of repair is 450 rupees. So total cost price of, after repairing the article, total cost price of article is 15,500 plus 450 rupees. Okay, so it means that it's become 15,950 rupees. Okay, this is the total cost price of articles, and here given the profit is 15%. Then you find profit of cost price. What is the cost price? Cost price is the 15,950 rupees. Okay, after this we add cost price plus profit, then you obtain selling price of the articles. So let's see how to solve this question. Here given cost of an article is equal to rupees 15,500. Okay, after this given repair cost. Cost is equal to rupees 450 rupees. Clear? Now we find total cost price of articles. Total cost price of article is equal to rupees 15,500 plus rupees 450. Okay, to sum it you obtain rupees 15,950. Clear? Now you find given a profit percentage is given here. Profit percentage is given 15%. So you find profit. You find profit at cost price. Okay. So profit is equal to 15,950 into 15 by 100. Clear? You can cancel 10 to 10. Clear? Now also you cancel 5 3 ja and 5 2 ja. Okay. Now multiply by 3. 5 3 ja 15. 5 9 ja 27 plus 1 8 28 and 5 3 ja 15 to 17. 5 1 ja 5 sorry 3 1 ja 3 and 1 4. Divide by 2. If you divide it, then you obtain 2 2 ja 4, 2 3 ja 6, 2 9 ja 18, 2 2 ja 4.5. Okay, this is a profit. Profit is equal to 2,392.50. Okay, so in this way we find profit is equal to rupees 2,392.50. Clear? Now we find the selling price of the article. The selling price is equal to selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. Okay, so what is the cost price? Cost price is equal to rupees 15,950. And what is the profit? Profit we find here 2,000 rupees 2,392.50. Okay, so what is the total price, selling price? It's become rupees 18,000 and 342.50. Okay, clear? 18,342.50. Okay, this is clear. So in this question you can see the cost of article is given 15,500 rupees and repairing cost after this repair the article repairing cost is 450 rupees. This is also given. So we find total cost price of article. So cost price plus repairing cost we sum it and we find total cost of article is 15,950 rupees. Okay, after this this is also given and that the profit percentage is 15%. So you find profit 15,950 into 15 by 100. So in this way we obtain 2,392.50 rupees. This is a profit. Okay, so now we find selling price of an article. So selling price is equal to cost price plus profit. So this is cost price, this is profit, and we sum it. We obtain 18,342.50 rupees. So in this way, student, we complete question number 4, and I hope all of you understood this question and enjoy with comparing quantities. Thank you. Jai Hind.